All right, hi everyone. My name is Hania Kasuma. I'm a senior audiologist. I graduated from the University of Southampton back in 2014, and I worked within the NHS, and I've been in Dubai for the last 4 years, working with all different types of patients, different ages. I enrolled with the course with Hashir because I found that tinnitus patients in particular do not have access to proper treatment here in Dubai. There aren't enough specialists that know how to deal with this type of issue, and I wanted to give my patients access to proper treatment and therapy options, and CBT was on the top of my list. It feels really great to, after finishing this course, I was able to offer patients some sort of treatment plan, whereas normally these patients come to the clinic and a lot of the time they're just been told to deal with it. It's been a really, really great course. I want to walk you through module 7 of this course. You might have seen me in the previous module having a chat with Hashir, so I was his patient. So I'm going to share my screen. All right, if I can find the button, one moment. Okay, so this is module 6, and then now if we have moved to module 7. Now, within Module 7, we have, of course, start off with the main aims and objectives of this part. And so in Module 6, we did practices on the behavioral experiment. And Module 7, which is CBT Session 3, we aim to have our patients chat about their behavioral experiment, what happened, and to challenge their irrational thoughts. So maybe create some counter statements. And so Hashir works you through the different skills that you need for this type of thing. And so I'm going to show you a little snippet of the actual session. If I can just get this to play. And there we go. So here you would have the patient's thoughts. And here are the counter statements that are discussed with the patient. Yeah, so it's basically how we sort of what we do with this kind of session is that we try to walk the patient through the process of tackling these very negative thoughts that they have before the event even happens, and again have the patient create some counter statements and walk them, guide them through this. At the end of this, as with other modules, you'll find discussions on the CBT session, so which is incredibly helpful because then you can access what we discussed as a group. So if there's anything that you missed out on or you weren't able to catch during the session, then you can review it later on. So it was incredibly helpful. That would be the end of it. And so also if you go back to aims and objectives, you can see in the objectives, so you can so what we've done here is that there is a list of things that you would have to achieve by the end of this module. And you can actually do a little bit of an assessment and a case study just to make sure that you are confident with everything that you have learned. And if not, then you would be able to contact your classmates, contact Hashir and discuss that with them. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck.